Shive Shiv, Pearl Nahe Shive. Good day, relatives. For those of you who are new here, my name is Pearl, and for the past 6 years, I have been traveling around Turtle Island. We now refer to some of this land as the United States. Today was just a normal day. Started off by checking the mail and going to Planet Fitness. And now that I'm done, my hair is freezing almost immediately because it is below freezing outside. Classic. Love it. At this point in the school year, the days start really early, and thankfully they also kind of end earlier in the day, which gives me a little bit of time to reset. And after days and days of negative temperatures, the sun finally peeks out, although it's still really freaking cold. And at this time of year, you should always bet that the snow is definitely coming back. Good morning, everybody. I recorded a little bit last night after the hockey game. The snowstorm was just so beautiful, and I was getting really tired at the hockey game last night. Yesterday was our last day at work at school before the February break, which is a week and a half off, and I know I need it, and I could tell. I was so tired yesterday, yawning at like 7:30, like the game is starting and I'm already tired. And then I just basically went right to sleep last night. It was pretty cold. It says it was like 20, it's like 21 Fahrenheit right now. So it definitely was colder. Says it feels like 14 or something. So with that being said, the area I stayed in last night has already been plowed. The streets look like they are already better than where I am parked right now, so fingers crossed for that. We have a couple of restocking things to do today, and no cleaning, no like maintenance. We are just resting today because we are house sitting for the next week and a half over the break, and I'm so excited to have this like mini just like staycation, and super nice dog, really nice big orange cat, and so he's a little shy, so hopefully y'all will be able to see him. But I am just so excited. We're gonna go to the grocery store, get a bunch of stuff, because we're gonna really try to utilize all of our time there, and not really get sucked. Like, there's gonna be a time for just kind of fully letting go at the very beginning and just resting and just enjoying it. And I want to be able to enjoy the whole thing, but I also want it to be like a really nice experience for me. I want to just be able to get back into a nice routine. I want to be able to just exist and be able to cook food and go for a walk. And I'm gonna make myself a nice pot roast and with some venison that a friend gave me, and I am just so excited. So yeah, I'm not really sure where all the stops are I need to go today. I need to get gas. I need to go to the grocery store. I might need to go to the library. It is so beautiful. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. We are just going right around the corner to the Starbucks. I already made myself breakfast earlier. Oh my God. Oh my God. You've got to be kidding me. You're kidding me, right? Oh my God. Oh my God. So annoying. People are so annoying in the snow, but it's okay. All right, we're going this way. I'm actually not ready for the grocery store right now. I'm definitely ready for some coffee. I made myself, I had like a breakfast sandwich and I just heated that up this morning, and that was perfect. And I just laid in bed and like pulled it like right off the stove and just ate it, and it was hot and delicious and amazing. But now we're ready for some coffee. I already watched a little bit of YouTube this morning. That's like kind of my weekend routine for myself, especially because a lot of my favorite people post. Then it gives me a lot of inspiration and motivation to then do some like editing for my own videos. But right now, what we're doing is sitting here. Not off to a great start today. That's okay. That is okay. We are going to go to the grocery store. I know that I can do it, you know? And I know that the earlier I go and get it done, it's gonna mean that the rest of my day can be chill. Like, I could go skiing if I wanted to. It snowed so much yesterday that there's so much beautiful powder. The last couple days have been pretty warm, and so everything heated up and melted and became the lovely New England mush that maybe some of you know well. And then you feel like you could just live your life again. And not only is there a snowstorm last night, and now all of the slush is now frozen and hidden under all of this snow now, but it is now supposed to snow like every single day for the next week. We are looking forward to just sitting around, enjoying our life, vibing. And I'm just going to be I'm so looking forward to just like bugging out basically and just enjoying life in the woods with an oven. Oh my God, an oven sounds amazing. What can I cook in an oven? I could bake cookies? Oh my God, I can make a cake? Wow. The option, lasagna. Okay. Okay, I look like a frozen potato right now, or maybe just a tomato, but I just had somebody pass me on the road, and like, this is a very rural, like off-road, like especially the part that I'm walking on, like it's even off of the main dirt road in a super small little rural town. And so like you're only on this road if like you live here. Like there's really no reason for you to go on this like side road. Anyway, it's so funny when people pass on the road and like they were coming from this direction, so they're coming behind me. I heard that they were coming, and I don't know if it's just like a small town thing, because this is how I was raised. When you are walking on your dirt road and somebody comes up and you hear their car coming, it doesn't matter if you know them. It doesn't matter if you see the car coming. It doesn't matter if you make eye contact. All that matters is that when you're walking and they come up behind you, you go like this. You just gotta put up a hand. It's like a little wave, a little show of respect. And if you're the driver, and this is exactly what she did, it's so funny. If you're the driver, you got your hand on the steering wheel, your only job, it's not to even go for the full wave unless you know them. Your job as the driver is to go like this. Little acknowledgement. Hey, how's it going? Hey, how you doing? Well, you could even do it with your front two fingers. You could even go as you pass somebody. Hey, how you doing? How's it going? Nice to see you. It's a show of respect in small town back roads. So I love that I always feel like I fit right in, because I have this sacred knowledge that I have now passed onto all of you guys. So it is Hi, it's very icy. It's very icy out today. And she's only walking in the tire tracks, which is the iciest part of the road. If only she understood, walk in the middle. Anyways, I've been pet sitting for the past like week, almost 8 days. Yeah, 8 days. And tonight is my last night. It is a gorgeous evening. The sun is about to set. The moon has already risen. It's cold. It's been a beautiful sunny day. And we're just checking the mail. Just a little walk, little fresh air. But it is very slippery. Like, I really hate these days where the sun is out, but temperatures are still cool, because like even a little bit wet just turns into ice. This is her favorite thing to do. Every time we turn around from the mailbox, she sprints the entire way back. This is hilarious. She's like, I'm so done with this. Literally every time I've done this week. She's happy to come for the walk, but then she sprints home. Okay, the van is packed up and warming up, and even though the sun's out, it's still like maybe 11 degrees outside, so here we go. Gonna put the little puppy inside. We've had so much fun together. Well, we're already having a bit of an issue. And I noticed it yesterday. Only when I was driving. I didn't actually get out of the vehicle or like actually check anything yesterday after I got home. But my back rear tire on passenger side is not doing so well. Oh geez, you can't even see me. It's looking like it's getting bald, but still not quite there yet. Which is probably why I've been having some issues on the ice the last couple of days. Also, like, this weather is just the worst for driving. Because like I said, anytime there's a little bit of sun, it turns anything that is not just snow into ice. So it's not just me that's struggling with that this week, but I feel kind of worried about my tire. The tire pressures of the back two says it's about the same, so that's good. It's just the tire, the one tire that's looking a little low. I think I would have to replace both of the back ones. Oh my god. And right now, I think we have the whole mountain to ourselves. Everybody I passed was going down, and there were only a handful of cars in the parking lot when I got here, so time to soak it all in. This is insane. It just started out of nowhere. Almost feels like I'm in a car wash, and I just keep getting sprayed with water. Because it has also not rained in months. It has been too cold. So now all of this rain that we're getting in the next few days is just gonna freeze. That wind is strong too, it's shaking the van. So this whole little storm system is supposed to pass us in like 20 minutes. It's supposed to be gone. But I don't just want to really lay here in the rain. It would be nice to get to a spot and start making some breakfast or some coffee. Good morning, everybody. I don't really know what is going on here. It has been several days since I have actually washed my hair, but I have gotten it wet over the past couple days, and it has actually been holding up pretty well. These curls are pretty good, and then we have a lot of this stringy stuff. But before we go and fix that, which was originally the plan, hang on. I got a coffee this morning. And absolutely, it would have taken maybe 10 minutes to heat up some water for some coffee, and it would have been totally free, and I could have done it from bed, and I wouldn't have had to spend any money. But I didn't want to do that. I really wanted a maple latte this morning. And yes, I could have put maple syrup in my own damn coffee, but I just did not want to. That's fine. Some days we just have to buy ourselves a large maple latte. And you know what? Today is the first day of, well, kind of. Today is kind of like the first day of sugaring season here. The sugar has already started flowing, but pancake houses, syrup houses, tap houses have all opened up. There is a specific weekend where, like, all across the state, basically all of the farms have like an open house weekend, and a lot of them do pancake breakfasts for that as well, or sugar on snow, whichever one they do. And these places might not usually be open to the public really for those kinds of things, but this is the first weekend where the sort of bigger sugar houses around here have opened up and they've started their pancake breakfasts. I love pancakes. I love their pancake breakfasts. It's one of the best things about Vermont is going to sugar houses and having like a pickle in the snow or a donut or a maple latte. Just like the community there is just so wonderful. It's like such a healing community experience, and it's so wonderful. It's one of my favorite things about living here. So I'm super excited, but I do have to work today. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna drive down to a spot where I have taken lots of pictures, lots of content before, and do another comparison video of the bay, basically, of the where I go to take these pictures is like the boat launch area, and it rained a lot this morning, as you guys heard, and so it has also warmed up, and because it is now sugaring season, that means that the temperatures are warming up. It is definitely going to be quite warm this next week, and so I'm not really sure what that's gonna look like for all of the snow, but I know that it is for sure going to drop again next weekend, so love that. I want like 1 or 2 more ski days. I have not taken any ski content. It's really hard, and I don't have a GoPro or anything like that. So maybe I'll be able to take a few things on the lift. It would be really nice to be able to commemorate this last winter season here in Vermont right now, and just celebrate it because it feels like a massive achievement. So we're gonna go look at the lake and check the levels of the water and the ice and look at all the things. and enjoy the drive and enjoy some peace and quiet and space to breathe before all the chaos that is today. So let's go. This is the road of slush. We got some water flowing already. I put my little ice spikes on because it is wet and slushy. Seems like people are still out ice fishing today, so that's cool. Good for them. It may be one of the last days in a while. Let's go down here. This is the view that I want right down here. It is definitely windy down here. And I don't see their fishing spots. Usually they're like right on the other side of the island right there, but I don't see them. But they're definitely out there today. It is cold though. It is windy. But now that we've got just a few shots, we look at the lake. That's good enough for me. Good morning. Oh, man, I am tired. It's Saturday morning. It's like almost 8 o'clock. And I'm so tired. I have to be at work at 12:30 today. I kind of want to go to Planet Fitness and take a shower first. And there are some things I can do in the van. Just a little bit of cleaning up for things, but it's also sugaring season now. And so there are pancake breakfasts, and I really want to go get some fucking pancakes and a maple latte and just enjoy the vibe. But I am not ready for that. So we're just gonna spend the first few minutes cleaning up. I was hoping to just like go and be like one of the first people there. But maybe I'll go right after they open. But you guys will love this pancake breakfast. I think that you guys would really love to see it. So I want to take you. I was also thinking I could maybe do my laundry today. I don't know if that will be possible, but maybe I'll just do that tomorrow. And that will be like the only task I have to do tomorrow in the afternoon. I think that'll work out well. I have all of this stuff that's dirty laundry. This is dirty laundry. I have cheese right here. I just need to organize my stuff, because this is not the way that I like to live. There's no paintings on the walls. That's weird.
Well, he is a huge... So that would never really try to get that.
The maple tree flowers to produce.
What? I don't know what he's doing.
snowing.